Let's learn how to sub the title. Okay, so I have already made a video on this, but I was out of content, so I'm making this again. So yeah, you have to watch it. Okay, let's start. Just hit the T like this, and then take your cursor over here. Okay, he's saying please, please, please. We have a please here. Open the Apex control, take a nice font. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the bold by 1SC center line. If you wanna give a shadow, you can give shadow. If you wanna give stroke, you can give stroke. I'm gonna give it shadow. Full black, opacity full, no distance, just a bit more spread. Perfect. And now position it in the center. Now a little bit down, scale it down a bit. Yeah, perfect. So it's a pretty basic subtitle right here, you see. Okay, totally basic. And now I'm gonna show you the animated one. So in animated one, you don't have to do much. You just have to go to scale, enable the animate option. Now yeah, at the first keyframe, make it 65, go 3 frames ahead, make it 77, and then go another 3 frames ahead, or 2 frames, make it 73 again. Now you will have a small animation, really small. And now what you're going to do is the first piece right here, the second piece is right here. So you just gonna have to cut this, delete this one, alt and drag to copy. And now yeah, he says please 2 times, so and if someone's saying same word for like multiple times, so you can just do one thing.
Let me do this.
Yeah, I have 3 here. Change its size, nest. Now change its size a bit, nest this one as well.
Let me do this. Let me do this. Let me do this.
Like this. And the fun part,
Yes!
he's screaming right now.
Yes!
But we wanna intensify it, so we'll add a shake effect. My shake effect is from RG Universe. You can have that shake effect from another video's description, don't tell anyone, okay? The frequency, shake control, lower the complexity. 0.8, yeah.
Yes! Yes!
Amplitude only 20 volts, yeah. Cool.
Yes! Yes!
Frequency even more.
Yes! Yes!
More.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
And now just copy paste on FPS.
Yes! Please,
Like this.
Please, God, someone, please. Let me do this. Let me do this. Let me do this. Yes! 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 Yes!